Hey everyone, Liz here from BG Trading. I hope you are well. Today is July 6, 2023, and I'll be analyzing three travel stocks, the leading ones on ASX. And one of those three travel stocks is actually trading at what we call buying area, according to BGS 20 strategy, which is our proprietary strategy that aims to achieve 20 to 40% within 1 to 3 month lead time in the trade. Those stocks are Flight Centre, Webjet, and Corporate Travel Management. We're going to analyze those three. And in this video, we're going to disclose which one is the cheapest one, technically, and is trading at a buying area. So let's have a look. So let's start this video with Flight Centre. Flight Centre, the ASX code is FLT. All those travel stocks has done pretty good. They've done pretty good during the last 2 years as recovered from COVID crash, which they literally crashed. And then we have a lot of share price swings during those years, those 2 years. And we've seen that the stock, all those stocks have actually reached what is a bit the top levels here, then, and then they start falling again, and then they go up again, and they fall again, like a cycle. And the latest fall on those stocks was probably related to potential recession, unemployment rates going up as a result of obviously interest rates. And we could see even a further fall now on those stocks. We have been trading Flight Centre a few times over the last few years, and we even traded this year. We did pretty well, actually, together with some of our VP members. We can see, by the way, you can see our results here at Buy, Grow, and Sell Strategy for Share Traders community. If you haven't become a member yet, it's free of charge. Just take a look on details in the description below, but we trade there back in from December to May, which we locked about 30% profit, plus 40% via SPP in March. If you have traded the stock, you know exactly what we are talking about. And I'm going to go in details there. The stock has fallen 15.9%, almost 16%, and then a small recovery here, but it's still trading. Candles still trading under the yellow line, which is one of our indicators. If you want to know exactly what I'm talking about, then take a look on our Trading Mastery online course. We teach you everything so you can really understand that. Anyway, then we have seen these candles still trading under this line, and we've seen some seller pressure still coming up into the market. Remembering, obviously, Flight Centre is one of the most short traded stocks on the ASX. Interesting enough. But this chart formation for me suggests that we might going to see a further sell-off on this stock. Nevertheless, this is not the one that is trading at buying area. And the reason is, ideally, I wanted to see the share price, the candles trading under both SMA 40 and the SMA 250, which respectively is the red line here and the pink line here. That's exactly why we're chasing level C, the point C here, in order to make an entry. And there I'll be very comfortable making an entry on the Flight Centre if the share price comes down to this $16 level. Let's hope that happens. And when that happens, we will be obviously buying the stock together with some of our VP members. Now let's move towards the second stock, which is Webjet. Webjet, we haven't actually traded that since 2021. Last couple of trades was made with Flight Centre and Corporate Travel Management. Webjet has really outperformed the market, which is really good rally here, all the way from $5, like $4.70 to $7.70, 62% up on that chart formation here. So it's really good. We didn't buy there. We ended up buying all the stocks. But the same thing that we've seen with FlyCenter, we've seen here. So the stock still trading at the former levels for the long-term moving average, which indicates that I'm not interested in buying just yet if I'm applying my own strategy, BGS20 strategy. So let's wait to see whether the stock comes down to level C as well, as just we saw with FlyCenter. If that happens, then we have a final correction of 20%, which is still a mild correction for these type of stocks. And then if that happens, obviously we have this correction, then I'll be more comfortable. I wouldn't say I'm very comfortable with Webjet. We need to obviously see earnings guidance for FY24 for Webjet and the FlyCenter, but I'm pretty sure this company is going to report really well in FY23. But then you have seen already the share price reflecting that expectation. So I would say that has been already priced in. And it wouldn't surprise me if once we have those results, the share price start falling further, because that's where the market will be looking forward to the next 12 months, whether FY24 will be affected by potential recession on either those stocks. Okay, so anyway, I'll be looking at buying points if Webjet comes down towards $6, even to 5s. Now let's move to the last stock, which is corporate travel management. The corporate travel management has actually outperformed all the travel stocks during COVID, like actually post-COVID, but during lockdowns, I would say, as it has a much better finance and management than and less leverage than Webjet and FlyCenter, but has underperformed after that. And there were brought us the last trading opportunities that we did here with corporate travel management. As you could see here, in the last 12 months, we've seen this really good two buying opportunity, which you took advantage of one of them. Also here in our free Facebook community, you could see the result of our trade, which we locked about 23%. It wasn't a lot, but good enough if you're talking about 2 months trading time. So that's why we normally try to detect where are the key entry points for those stocks. And when we find those entry points, let's move forward. Now, here you go. Corporate travel management candles scaling trading right at the SMA 250. And it's under the SMA 40, under the red line and right at the pink line, which suggests us, in comparison to FlyCenter and Webjet, suggests that corporate travel management is, from the three of those stocks, is the one that offers a much better value here from those three. If I was going to choose right now to buy one of those 3 stocks, I would buy corporate travel management. The chart formation shows a much better value at the moment. Obviously, we need to keep eye on what's going to happen with the earning guidance for FY24. But this is another stock that has been priced by potential recession. 18% fall within the last month. So then I also have put here some hypothetical support levels. As you can see, I even highlight here best buying area for us. But this is some hypothetical support level. As you can see, it really sort of respect those hypothetical support levels here, but it's still gloomy sector to be right now until we see maybe a further correction. We could see another lot, and again, myself predicting, don't like to do that, but let's say we could still see another lot of fall with corporate travel management, which could bring the stock down to $15. And that would be incredibly good value for CTD. Well, again, if I was going to buy one of those three stocks, I would be buying corporate travel management, because this is the only one of those three stocks that is currently trading at not under at the moment, but at SMA 250, which means we're buying at a fair price for the long-term trend, not at the formal levels for the long-term trend. Okay. Ideally, as you know, according to our strategy, the best buying opportunity is when we buy at lower levels than the pink line at technically discounted price, which is not the case yet, but potentially could be within the next few weeks or next few months. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm right, but let's have a patience. We trade in the market with patience, and that's how we made the last few trades here on this stock as well. As you could see here, this every time we bought it, the stock was trading under the pink line here, and that's where we bought. So we should buy again, hopefully. Let's see if that happens. Thank you very much for watching this video. Let us know what you think, and take a look on our upcoming Trading Mastery course, which is going to teach you everything about PGS 20 strategy, all the indicators, all the KPIs, how we look into the fundamentals, and much more, so we can make the best trades possible and better than ever before. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.